have some 100 followers, they might have some 200 followers, and they just try to tell you that I'll give you some strategies that would work, that has been worked for Tai Lopez, that has been worked for Gary Vee, that has been worked for Grant Cardone, and it will work for you. So those people are not really mentees of Gary Vee or Tai Lopez or Grant Cardone or Tony Robbins. Those people are trying to make money out of your money, I mean your time. Hey Sanjay, I'm gonna discuss how mentorship, this online mentorship, have been turned into a scam today. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. There are people in Instagram, or there are people in YouTube, all over in the internet. They tell you that be my mentee for 1 week or 1 month. You can earn somewhere around 10,000 per month, or 10,000 in the first day, 20,000 or 50,000 per month or day. Again, this depends upon you. For me, mentorship, it's not gonna work. Why? Is because I'm a practitioner. To be true, for me mentorship is like you have to do it in a practical way. You have to start doing something in a practical scenario, and that is the only way that I understand. It could be like if you just get into mentorship, if it is really worth, something like they give you lots of suggestions, and they continue doing it for a longer period, and the quality that they deliver, if that is really good, that's really fine. But there are many people who just start their journey in Instagram, and they start doing mentorship. They might have some 100 followers, they might have some 200 followers, and they just try to tell you that I'll give you some strategies that would work, that has been worked for Tai Lopez, that has been worked for Gary Vee, that has been worked for Grant Cardone, and it will work for you. So those people are not really mentees of Gary Vee or Tai Lopez or Grant Cardone or Tony Robbins. Those people are trying to make money out of your money, I mean your time. That is what they are trying to do. To be true, forget all this mentorship. If you want to do something, you can figure it out in the internet. There are hell lot of people who are giving it for free. There are hell lot of people who are just writing books for free. If you don't have money, just go download PDF and get into a, what is it, for Xerox shop, get a photocopy and read it. If you are really that interested, there are people who tell you that mentors are like guiding lights for you. Let's say you are just stuck into a cave, and mentors are nothing but guiding light, guiding torch for you. If you are really stuck into a cave in your life, what you have to do is you just go hit on a wall, get punched in your face, and then fall down, eat some shake and eat some dirt, then get back. You find some stones lying around there, you rub that stone, make a spark, make your own fire, and then you'll get to know the way out of that particular cave. At that particular moment, you might be a very familiar person in that particular cave, in that particular industry, in that particular field that you are trying to be an expert. What these mentors do is they teach you some shortcuts that might save your time, but time is money for sure, but that will lead you for some other things, that will lead you for some other dangers that is far ahead in your life. So never try to do that. If you have an awesome mentor, this is one of that quality that you need to find in your mentor. He would have walked the path that you are trying to walk. He would have achieved the things that you are trying to achieve in your life. And probably there is no good mentor, there is no absolutely amazing mentor out there who asks you for money. probably he might you if you could offer a cup of coffee, that's more than enough for a mentor. So any person who is a mentor for you, who is asking lots of money, hell lot of money, and giving you little value, just like read this PDF and you'll figure it out, and I'll help you every month. I mean, monthly once I'll give you a coaching, or I'll just make a video call to you, and we'll just discuss where did you go wrong. Again, he'll just shout on you, he'll just degrade you, and he'll just tell you that this is where you went wrong, this is the thing that you have to improve. If that is your mentorship, try to avoid that. That is just a scam that I'm talking about. So there are a hell lot of people who are good mentors. I'm not really targeting them, or I'm not really here to offend them. So mentorship, according to me, it's just a time waste. Figure out life by your own way, and you can be the best version of yourself by figuring out by your own way. Read some books, watch some YouTube videos, get some free stuffs. That is more than enough for mentorship. I'll meet you guys at the top. I'll meet you guys in my next podcast or in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.